In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Teamspace invite link on Notion, whether you're collaborating with colleagues, classmates, or friends. Sharing a Teamspace on Notion is a fantastic way to ensure everyone is on the same page. So, let's dive into the process together step by step. First things first, you'll want to open your Notion workspace. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all the features. Once you're in, head over to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find all the different sections, including the list of your Teamspaces. Now here's where we focus our attention. Hover your cursor over the Teamspace you want to share. Moving your mouse over this will bring up a few options. Keep an eye out for the three little dots, also known as the More menu, right next to the Teamspace name. Go ahead and click on those dots. This menu contains several options you can explore for managing your Teamspace. Once you've clicked on the More menu, a drop-down list will appear. Among these options, look for and select Add Members. This is exactly what we're focusing on today, as it allows you to easily manage who has access to your Teamspace. After selecting Add Members, you'll see a new window with various options for inviting people. What we want here is the Copy Invite Link button. Go ahead and click on that. What happens now is quite handy. Notion automatically generates a link for you, making it ready for you to share. The link is copied to your clipboard, which means all you need to do now is decide where you want to share it. When it comes to sharing your copied link, think about where your invitees spend most of their time. Maybe it's over email, a group chat, or a team messaging app like Slack. Simply paste the link into your chosen platform and send it off to the people you want to invite. This way, they can easily join your Teamspace by just clicking on the link, and there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully copied and are ready to share your Teamspace invite link in Notion. Remember, this is a great way to ensure smooth collaboration and communication with your team. It eliminates the hassle of manual invites and streamlines the entire process. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy Notion collaborating.